help! What's wrong? Who is that? I found him outside! He needs help! Outside? Thanks, we're good. Help him! I'm begging! Don't worry, we can save him. What is that? Trust me, it's gonna work. I'm not getting involved. We got this. What happened? Oh. Uh-oh. Oh no! You guys, hit the like button so we have enough power to save the dog! That's great, but it's not enough! Keep them coming! We're getting there!
Thanks a bunch.
Yay, we did it! Thanks! It'll keep you from getting sick! I'm late! Keep going from here! What do you mean, keep going? What's that? Over my dead body? I know! We need to come up with a name for you!
I've never had a name before.
We'll fix that! How does Cooper sound?
Nah, basic.
Charlie?
Nope. Boring.
I'm out of ideas. You guys, comment down below some name ideas for our new friend. How about Sloppy Pig?
Excuse me?
It's not that big of a deal. Since you hate it that much, feel free to clean up. The dog is getting on my nerves. I think it's about time we gave you a bath. Hygiene matters. How does the water feel?
Really nice.
Really nice. There. Something's missing.
Oh.
Excuse me. Hey. Thanks. We can jump right into it. Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
It's pretty easy. Pretty easy? This is unbearable. At least I can eat without him by my side. This is getting annoying. Look, this is what your dog leaves behind. Yum. We can brush you. It's no biggie. It'll be easy. I can do anything.
A whole lot better. Thanks.
Oh.
I'll show you. Nah, it's too simple. Nah, not good either. That's perfect. Brilliant. I think you need a spot of your own.
I've never had one before.
Aww. Wait! Oh, excellent customer service.
Your order.
Thanks. Let's see what we got.
Oh.
It looks pretty easy. I'm really good at this. Yeah. Yeah. Almost there. Help me out.
Sure. Huh?
Let's go for a walk outside.
But Chloe needs my help.
It's okay. She can handle it. Oh, where is he? I need tools.
Where on earth is she?
Okay, walk.
I thought you'd be by my side.
No thanks.
Oh, hey, honey bun.
Uh-oh.
Hey, that's my dog!
I don't think so.
You guys, hit the like button right now so Chloe can take down the hunter.
How's it looking?
Nice. That's still not good enough. It's working. We're getting there. Great. We couldn't have done it if it wasn't for you.
I can't thank you enough! Can't wait to finish up your place!
Yeah.
Oh, thanks! We're almost done with this. From now on, you'll always be by my side.
Whoa, that's awesome.
Why is he here again? He lives here. You said again. Never mind. Oh, how could I forget to feed you?
I'm really hungry, actually.
We can fix that. I need an idea right now. What am I looking for? I don't have any dog food. What you looking for? Our puppy is starving and we don't have any food. Bummer.
Oh.
We gotta get to a pet store. I think I made it first. I got what I needed. I hope I make it. How could they be out of dog food? No one's here, I guess. Ow, it hurts! Oh, did you get the food? You're so sweet, thanks! Look what Tris got for you.
Tris?
There, bon appetit!
Thanks, it's really good. I'm bored.
Let's play. I'll see what we've got. Nah, this is Tris's doll. Hey, that's not mine.
Oh.
Hey! That's too dangerous. I can DIY toys.
Sounds like fun. What's that?
You're about to see. Almost there. Done. Let's play.
Cool, cool. What else do you have?
Oh, I'll be right back. We'll go with this. We just gotta braid it. How does that look? There! There! More!
That's sick. I'm so lucky to have you.
I know another life hack. The best for last. Spicing it up with something nice.
Whoa, is that a donut?
Hey, where did my socks go? And my t-shirts. Chloe! That was the last straw! No, I'm begging you! What are you doing? Welcome back to the streets! I'm free now! Where's the dog? He ran away. Liar, you kicked him out! How could you?
My bowl! I wonder what's inside the box.
Yay, fresh air.
Hey, where are your owners?
I don't have any.
Do you want me to take you home?
Yay, I'll have a house.
Check out who I found!
Hi.
Cutest puppy ever! Do you like the dog?
Uh-huh. It's cute. I'm not a dog person.
I think he likes you!
Taking him off the streets was so kind of you.
Look what he did.
Whoa! You're late for school.
Can you watch him until I come back?
Of course. Cutie pie.
Is that a treat?
Whoa.
Behave! Oh gosh, where's the dog? I'll follow the paw prints. He was here, went that way, and stopped right here. Have you seen where the dog went?
He bit me and ran off that way.
Found him! Why would you hide?
I messed up the house, so I thought you'd kick me out.
Good point. Messy puppies don't belong in our house.
It's not like it was on purpose. We'll give you a bath. Problem solved.
Yay, a bath.
Problem not solved. The house is still a mess.
So go ahead, clean it up.
Why me?
I'm busy washing the dog.
Didn't know I could hate the dog more.
Let's get started.
The water feels warm.
Let's wash you with some shampoo.
I smell so nice.
I smell so nice.
We can't miss the ears. Can you hear me now?
I sure can, ma'am.
Awesome. High five. The claws could use a trim.
Don't gnaw on your nails.
Now we can dry you up.
I need to clean it up.
Bad timing. We're in the middle of something.
I'm getting involved because he made a mess.
What have you done?
I didn't mean to. You can't open it without likes.
Please hit the like button to save the pup.
Help! I'm scared.
Can't seem to break it. Hit the like button.
Almost there. We'll get you out.
I'm scared. Hurry up.
Come on, we're close.
Thanks.
You're the best audience. All good?
Yeah, I just got scared.
Same.
Stay away. I'd rather you cleaned up the mess. You could use another bath.
Yay, another bath.
Back to square one. Well, puppy, hang in there. You had it coming. Let's take a TikTok break. Dead battery. Where's my charger? Awesome. Not working for some reason. Watch out, you ugly monster.
You look gorgeous!
Really?
Yeah, we should surprise Andy with it. Hop in.
Courtney. Where's the tiny little monster?
What the?
The dog. He chewed up all my cords.
His teeth are coming out. Now we're aware of that.
Where's the dog? He's in a lot of trouble.
Chill. This might cheer you up.
Is it for me? I wonder what's inside.
Hi, how does my suit look?
What do you think of it?
Is this the Paw Patrol uniform?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Officer, arrest yourself for chewing a cable.
I'm teething. I can't help it.
You heard him. It wasn't on purpose.
Besides, I can't arrest myself. It's just a costume.
Isn't he the cutest?
I know where to find a real officer. Welcome back to the streets.
Throwing out animals is a crime. Come back. Andy was just kidding.
It won't happen again. I'm so sorry for chewing the cords.
Apology not accepted. Back off. I still can't stand this guy.
Hey, stop pushing.
Stop it. Ew. Court, tell him.
Leave him alone.
Don't hurt me anymore.
He's tiny, but he bites like a shark. What's that?
Yay, a baby tooth is out.
Who's that?
I'm the Tooth Fairy. Hand it over. I have places to be.
Here's his tooth. Here's a treat in return.
Yummy, thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I didn't know dogs have their own tooth fairy.
I'm shook.
Is the Tooth Fairy coming back?
I guess about 20 times.
That's sick.
How could I forget? Should have done that right away.
What?
We need a name for you.
Cool. I've never had one.
How does Charlie sound? Or Milo?
I like both. I can't choose.
What about Stinky or Cable Killer?
Who asked your opinion? Cable Killer. Too long.
Cooper would be nice.
All of them are amazing. I can't make up my mind.
Neither can I. Comment down below. What dog name should we go with? Apparently someone's hungry. Come on. This is where you can always find food and water.
Really? So good.
Take your time. No one's taking it away from you. I think you're shedding.
Uh-huh. I do it twice a year.
It's been forever since I've had a break. Dog fur is everywhere. It's here too. Fine, I'll take care of it after I'm done. It's literally everywhere. Court. The house is covered in dog fur. It's even in my sandwich. That's a legit reason to get rid of him.
I'm not going anywhere.
Or we could just brush him. Give me a hand.
You know, it's kind of relaxing.
Feels like meditation.
I like it too.
How come a tiny puppy has this much fur?
No idea.
I guess that was it.
All these treatments made me hungry.
Should we sell the fur?
I have a better idea.
Wow, I want to give it a shot. Turns out it's fun.
All this dog stuff is growing on you.
What? No, you're wrong. Someone's waking up on the streets today.
Stop! You're not kicking the dog out, are you?
No, I'm just going to prove you don't take care of the dog.
Are you nuts?
The dog doesn't have a bed. He has to sleep on my hoodie.
That's a good point. I actually don't have one.
Am I actually a bad owner? I'm so sorry. It's coming right up.
About time. Close call.
Hello, I'd like to order a doghouse.
That was fast.
Whoa, amazing customer service. Where do you want me to put it?
Over here.
Whoa, I get to live in this huge mansion?
Yeah?
You get this toy for free.
Awesome. I've never had one before.
You have the cutest puppy. Can I pet him?
Yeah. Where do I sign?
Right here.
Goodbye.
Here's a bone. There, take that.
Do you like the toy?
Yeah, too bad it's the only one.
It can be fixed. Andy, watch the dog. I'll be right back.
Why don't you want me to stay?
You chew on things.
I promise not to do it again.
Your fur is even in my pockets.
If you give me some treats, I'll be on my best behavior.
You can't have it. It might make you sick. Go away now.
I'll just taste it. That's it.
Where's my food?
I don't feel so good.
Did you eat the whole bucket?
I couldn't help it. It was so good.
You might feel sick.
I'll be just fine. Oh, my vision is getting blurry.
No, I'll save you. Vet, come now. Did you see how fast she got here?
What's wrong with him?
He had a bucket of wings.
Dogs can't have human food. We can't waste a single second.
I'm getting worse.
We need to stabilize him.
I'll get over it. Please, get better.
Here I am. What's going on?
We're doing fine.
We're saving your puppy. Did you hurt him?
No, it's not my fault. For the most part.
Come on, I feel so bad.
Oh gosh.
Save him.
We have to resuscitate him. You don't want to see this. My puppy.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Oh no, we're out of medicine.
You can't help him?
What do we do? Go get this at the pharmacy.
Please don't! Get lost!
We're out of here.
You poor thing! I owe you one for saving me! Come on, it's not that big of a deal. I'll share my powers with you. I won't be needing them anyway. No! I'll help you! Andy!
Wow.
Kitty's in danger! You are gonna be just fine! Clear! That's bad! Need your help!
What's the patient's condition?
Body temperature above normal.
I see an injury.
Done!
Breathing is slowing down.
Cardiac arrest! Again! More!
Court, that's it. We did our best. Magic's the only thing that can help her.
Spot on! Magic! Moon power! Answer my call! You guys, hit the like button to resurrect the kitty! Andy! Core! Look at this cutie! We're trying to help her! I feel way better already! A talking cat? She's magical!
What are you here for?
I was hired to track down this girl. Never seen her before. Do you guys have any idea where the girl could be? Comment down below.
Good luck.
Hey, Court! The new fit is drop dead gorgeous. Thanks. Andy, thanks for having my back.
Thank you for my fame. I need magic powers. I'm saying I'll take care of the kitty. She needs some grooming. How nasty is that? Whew. Can't get it out.
Let me handle it.
You need some tick and flea treatment.
It doesn't taste good. Stay away. Shoo.
What about a snack?
Now we're talking. How about that?
Why are you all dirty? It's all right, though. I'll make you look cute. And you'll do me.
No way you're winning.
There's one final touch left.
Moon prism power. You are gonna regret messing with me.
What do you think?
It's stunning. Whoa, thank you, Andy. Can I do anything for you?
You could share your powers, you know.
She can't.
Why not? The girl's back. Do you know who that girl is?
You're not handing over my powers to him, are you? Well, it's tricky.
Before you say anything, check out this house I built for you.
You didn't make it for her.
Who cares? Now it's yours.
It's wonderful. It's about to get even better. Court, this is astonishing. You must be starving.
Here's a menu. You can pick whatever you want.
Is this okay?
You can have literally anything.
It's so good.
Here's the receipt, by the way.
He's kidding. Look, you are getting better.
You can handle it alone.
Knew it. Well, you had a nice meal. She urgently needs a tray.
I'm working on it. The problem solved.
Andy, you are so caring.
Unlike others,
What did you say?
I said you should clean up. You like toys, don't you?
I've never had any.
We're gonna fix it.
You are doing your best just for me.
It's nothing. I feel happy when helping our little friends.
Let me help.
I'm good.
What are you gonna do?
Don't spy on me. Neither do you.
I've never dreamt of it. Courtney, look what a cute toy. Thank you, Andy.
If I had magic, I would make something more intricate.
Courtney has it.
Can she share it?
It's no easy thing. It needs a lot of practice.
Can you show me how it works?
Moon power. Help! That's what I wanted. What's this? No! She got another life. It's the best toy in the world. Catch. Good girl.
It's unfair.
Is it fair to make a kitty give you abilities?
You just don't want to lose them.
Nothing of the kind.
Let's see what she will say when I finish.
She got tired and sleepy. I feel strong enough. You'll feel stronger if you sleep. Moon magic. Whoa! It's a perfect bed to nap in. I told you.
Okay.
Don't you dare! Don't even try! Play again? Yay! What a lovely room!
You're getting better after active recreation.
It's a true cat paradise! You woke her up!
She wanted to play.
She wanted to sleep!
Play.
Sleep!
You are not her owner to tell her what to do.
Neither are you! Let her choose herself!
Where's the kitty?
The kitty?
She must have hidden somewhere.
It's all my fault! I got so crazy about the abilities and forgot that the kitty needed my loving care. She'll lose all her lives without us!
Sailor Crybaby. I know where she's gone.
Do you? She's gone to search for this girl.
Don't worry, I'll help find her.
Thank you.
I am also to blame, but you a little more. I've completed it twice. Cool.
Wow.
Why do you think she's here?
Intuition. And social media.
It's the kids who offended the kitty.
Hi, kiddos. What do I have for lunch today?
What do we have here?
It's my game. Give it back. You won't need it in a locker. Leave them alone. Deal with them.
Moon magic!
Take that.
Fight evil powers!
Court, you're embarrassing me in front of the bullies.
It refuses to work. Oh boy! Who will now save the kids?
And who will save us?
I'll help you! She's found! Moon prison power! Makeup! Let's get started!
Take her away from me. This costume suits her better than you.
does. Let go of me. Never hurt those who are smaller than you.
Whoa, you'd rather not deal with her. Best kitty in the world. You're our heroine.
Such a beauty. Hope you understood you shouldn't hurt animals.
She spent 2 lives on you. We're so sorry.
Something's happening to me. I have finally turned into myself. You're the girl from the poster. I am. I hurt this kitty. This is why I was united with her by the magic.
You have a chance to correct it.
She needs a friend. What would you say? Where is she? I am so hungry. This fish is gross. Hey! Are you ready for a knuckle sandwich? You'll have to catch me first. Gotcha! What's with all that noise? Knock it off! Poor thing. So cute. Good puppies. She's crying out for help.
Oh no! You know, I like being a doctor.
Let us do the honors. Shallow breathing. Not helping.
She doesn't want any water.
Move! What? You guys, I need more energy. Hit the like button and save the kitty. Clear! Again! Clear! What's up with me? I'm not a quitter! Hopefully, it helps.
Wow.
Yummy! Thanks! Yay! We did it!
I got it all on camera.
Good girl! That's not it yet! Yeah, we need to restore it completely.
What's her name?
Not sure yet.
You guys, what should Jade name the kitty? Comment down below.
Ew! We need to potty train you. You can use the public bathroom. No way! My kitty only deserves the best. I need you ASAP. Bad timing. Gotta take off. And you, slackers, babysit the cat. No problem.
I can shoot videos while I'm at it.
If anything happens to her, you'll be cleaning up cages until you die. I guess I'll clean up.
So stink and yet so small. Court, you owe me. Time to make me famous. Gotta work on your looks. Makeover time.
Let's doll her up. Actually, that feels great. The ears are dirty. Here.
You're hilarious. What's up with you?
Nothing. No worries. All done? Last one to go. What are you doing to my paws? Lotion makes paw pads softer.
Mew, mew, mew. Ow, I can talk to animals too.
Let's pick it up from here next time.
Looks like she likes it.
Besides, another life added up. Something's missing. I learned to make simple collar decorations. What a great chance to use it. I look cute. Yay, another one.
She's all glammed up for a shoot. Where is she?
Core, look what I can do. Watch out.
You scared the life out of us.
We have to make a house for her.
Good idea. Wow. Not bad.
We don't need that. Welcome. A level up compared to my old home.
You may take a bath. Say hello to our viewers.
Since you were into climbing, you should like it. You know a thing or two about having fun.
Hey,
That's my job.
you got in the way of filming.
This is not what Jade left her here for.
She loves being a star.
How would you know?
You know, I can talk to animals too. Meow, meow, meow.
Let's ask her.
Do you want to be a star?
Or play. Whoa!
Fine, let's play. Hard pass.
Calm down. Just tell us what you want. Food! Why didn't you just say so? This should last you a while. She's just hungry. That's it. Yummy! Quite an appetite.
Bon appetit. Anything for the new star.
I like this guy. Are you nuts? This is no good.
She's still hungry.
Kittens don't know when to stop. She might have too much and get sick.
And eventually Jade's gonna kill me.
You gotta make servings. I think staying fit is a good idea.
Great info for my page. Now get closer to the cat and say it into the camera. She ran off. Hold on.
Catch her!
Not so fast. Vampires only.
I need my cat.
No.
Please!
We are together. Get out of my way. Why is it always me?
We're back.
Courtney.
That was fun. It was, but don't do it again.
What happened to you?
I'll show you. I got turned into a vampire and I was scared, but the cats were so sweet. We danced and had fun.
How did you become a human again?
It hasn't been for the first time. We have a customer.
But,
Welcome.
hey. Not funny.
How can we be of help? Give me a second. Let's play.
Now that's funny.
What a spoiled cat. Another toy. Excuse me. Andy, you can't let Kitty play with the hands.
I mean, she literally attacked him.
We have to switch her attention then. A glove can be a great toy. A brand new toy! I love it! Look, she got another life.
Yeah, I see that. So what do you think of this toy? Nah. The toy was for sale. I'm so dead.
No doubt. Good luck. Pleasure working with you.
No.
Kidding. We can easily fix that. Let's give it an upgrade. Even better than before. I love all my toys.
Phew, I owe you one.
Yummy! And the new house is just stunning. Thanks a bunch.